Hello and welcome to the video on how to create API test cases. By the end of this video, you will be able to create API test cases.
Tosca Cloud is a lot more than just UI testing though. In addition to generating UI test cases, you can build API test cases. You can run those as is or integrate them as a part of an end-to-end testing experience. To get started, you'll see we are on the playground. The API playground is the starting place where you can interact with your APIs, send calls, and validate their responses. Essentially, you're building skeletons for your larger test cases. Once you've created an API action, that API action becomes available in the inventory. This is the same place that your test modules will appear. You can tag them, associate them with specific initiatives, or dive back into them and set additional information like validations, authorizations, or any additional use cases that you want to add. Once your API actions are complete, you're going to want to add them to your test case. And good news, it's exactly the same way that we built our UI test case. So here I'm back in the test case builder. I'm simply going to define a test case or open an existing test case. And instead of choosing modules, I'm going to choose an API action. Here I'm just going to drag in a fun little cat API call that I have. This could be a pre-step to your UI test, or it could be something that happens in the middle. Once you save that, you would execute them just like you would execute your UI test cases. But I want to execute this as a part of a playlist, and so to do that, I'm going to add some additional details, specifically a tag. A tag is a piece of metadata that can be used in any type of test case, API, desktop, web, and essentially it allows you to bring these items together so they can later be used in playlists.
As you come to the end of this video, you should now be able to create API test cases.